Hi, I'm John with WTI. No doubt after the pandemic, everyone's looking for ways to boost their immune system a little bit. So for me, my go-to is vitamin C. I find that vitamin C really helps my immune system and helps me fight off any viruses or anything that comes my way. One thing that I really like about this AgeImmune Vitamin C Plus is that it has lysine and zinc. Now, especially lysine, I found that it really helps fight against cold sores. So depending where you live, where I live, it's really cold in the winter, and sometimes your immune system can be down and you might get a cold sore. So having the lysine as well as zinc, which helps you absorb things, and also the vitamin C, I have found that this is truly a good supplement for me to really help with my immune system and make sure that my body is ready to fight whatever might come my way. So this is something that I like to take every single day. I normally drink it with orange juice or water. As you can see, the pill's not too big. It goes down nice and easy. And it's just, for me, it's a great way to make sure that I'm getting all the vitamin C that I need, getting that lysine amino acid, which I need, and zinc as well can be very helpful for your body. So for me, this is a really complete supplement that I enjoy taking. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.